Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make eggless snowballs for late afternoon tea, and with the help of my daughter.
Hi everyone.
We need 3 cups of self-raising flour, half a cup of custard sugar, 1 cup of sour milk, 125 grams of rama, with a quarter cup of tin milk and 2 tablespoons of ordinary milk to actually make it thin, and desiccated coconut, which we color with pink coloring. So this is how we go about making. We serve our 3 cups of self-raising flour.
How much you added? 1 cup custard sugar?
Half a cup of custard sugar. And then you add your rama, 125 gram of rama. Break it out, soften it, let it come to breadcrumbs. In the meantime, while that is getting done, you can preheat your oven and get your oven tray ready for the baking. Normally we use it at 150 degree. And now that is done, we add the sour milk slowly. Make it into a dough. There it goes. You had to make it into a soft dough. If your sour milk, you can add a little more if needed. Now that your dough is done, not a very sticky dough, you can always adjust your dough with sour milk and not with extra rama. Otherwise you'll end up getting flat snowballs. There's a lid, we'll let it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can pour our tin milk in a deep saucer plate with 2 tablespoons of milk. Let's put 2 tablespoons of milk and beat it up with quarter tablespoon of vanilla essence. Beat it up right. I shouldn't make it. This is how you allow your tin milk become weak. Right, that's done. You can also in the meantime color your desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut with pink coloring. A teaspoon will be enough, but you can adjust when needed. Okay.
That looks like blood on the desiccated coconut.
If you feel your coloring is sort of darker, like a maroonish color, you can add a few drops of water to it. Like this. A few drops of water will bring in the pink color. See? Why don't you use your hand? Don't you come finer with your hand this way? This method is better. See? Now that we are done, I've got my oven tray sprayed with sprayed and cook. And now we will form our little ball. We got a little extra flour just in case it's sort of sticky. You form the ball. You can actually do this evenly with those little balls. Round it out. Little pieces. That's too little. Take another piece. It depends how big you like. If you want to make more snowballs, you can increase the ingredients.
Or decrease the size of each ball.
Give them even space because they will rise to size. Now that the snowballs are ready, I did check it up when it was 20 minutes and it wasn't done, so I left it for an extra 10 minutes. This is how it rose and expand.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. We will start with the dipping of the snowball. First you dip it in your tin milk that's beaten up with 2 tablespoons of ordinary milk and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You dip it thoroughly. While it's hot, then the tin milk will get into the dough. And there's your desiccated coconut with your coloring. You roll it up. set it up in your... There you go. There you go. It's all done. This you can have for your tea time, snack, and enjoy.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. Enjoy.
Thank you.